Welcome to the Western Region Market Watch, brought to you by Real Estate Business Intelligence and MRIS Company. Let's take a look at the most recent activity in the Western Region housing market, which includes these areas. As of March, the nation has recovered all of the private sector jobs lost in the recession. Between February and March, the nation added 192,000 jobs, all of which were in the private sector. Over the past 12 months, the U.S. gained 2.2 million new jobs, led by growth in professional services, leisure and hospitality, and education and health services. At 6.7%, the U.S. unemployment rate was unchanged from February. Activity in the national housing market remains sluggish, and existing home sales, new home sales, pending home sales, and housing starts were below their year-ago levels. Winter weather continued to play a role, but rising prices and interest rates may impact sales favorably in the upcoming months. In the Western region, buyer activity remained low in March. There were 293 closed sales in March, 1.3% fewer than last year. This is the second consecutive year-over-year decrease for this indicator. New pending contracts also decreased, falling 7.5% from last March to a total of 434 contracts. The number of homes for sale continues to rise and has now increased from the prior year for 10 months in a row. The number of active listings increased 8.6% from last year, rising to 3,242 listings at the end of March. Even with this increase, inventory remains tight and is only 65% of its 2007 peak. There were 710 new listings in March, 5.7% more than this time last year. At $165,500, the median sale price was 6.1% higher than last March. The median days on market for the region is now 100 days, 32 days more than this time last year. March generally continued the winter pattern seen earlier in the Western region. Both closed sales and new pending contracts decreased. Seller activity continues to increase, but inventory remains relatively tight. The median price increased due in part to the tight inventory. After a slow winter, spring and summer should pick up and capture some of the pent-up buyer demand. That's the Western Region Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.